Before you click, consider this. Every tap, scroll, heartbeat from a wearable device, and online search generates a signal. Not a dramatic secret, not a conspiracy, just structured data moving through real-time systems that quietly power modern AI, digital advertising, logistics, finance, and healthcare analytics. In today's episode, we explore how those everyday digital signals become measurable economic value inside the real-time data economy. Welcome to Relaxing Facts Studio, where we break down complex systems with clarity and calm precision. From cloud infrastructure to behavioral analytics and business intelligence, this documentary will help you understand how data flows, how it's analyzed, and what it truly means in practical, informed terms. Right now, millions of data points are moving across networks in fractions of a second. Credit card authorizations, delivery updates, stock trades, app interactions. This is the foundation of the real-time data economy, a system built not on static records, but on continuous streaming infrastructure. For decades, organizations relied on batch processing, collecting information throughout the day and analyzing it hours later. Today, event-driven architectures process data the moment it is generated. Instead of waiting for nightly database updates, companies use streaming platforms that ingest, filter, and route live data instantly. This shift enables faster operational decisions, improved customer experiences, and more resilient digital services. In this environment, data is no longer just stored information. It is treated as a strategic business asset, measured, governed, secured, and integrated into long-term planning. Like intellectual property or physical infrastructure, high-quality data supports forecasting, product design, risk management, and competitive positioning. Supporting this transformation is a growing ecosystem of cloud providers, real-time analytics platforms, and scalable data warehouses. These infrastructure services form the backbone of modern digital operations, allowing businesses of all sizes to deploy low-latency systems without building everything from scratch. Industries such as fintech, e-commerce, logistics, and healthcare analytics depend heavily on real-time insights. Fraud detection, inventory management, route optimization, and patient monitoring systems all require immediate processing to function effectively. Understanding this shift from static databases to live streaming systems provides a practical foundation for navigating today's data-driven economy with clarity and confidence.
Every tap, swipe, or click generates a signal that travels instantly through a network of connected systems, forming the backbone of real-time data analytics. Event-driven data pipelines capture these interactions as they happen, converting raw behaviors into structured streams ready for immediate analysis. Unlike traditional batch systems, these pipelines operate continuously, ingesting information from websites, apps, sensors, and IoT devices without delay. APIs then connect these streams across platforms, enabling seamless communication between mobile apps, cloud services, and enterprise systems. Whether it's synchronizing sales data between a retail app and inventory software, or linking sensor outputs from smart devices to monitoring dashboards, APIs allow data to flow efficiently while maintaining accuracy and consistency. To support this speed, distributed computing spreads processing across multiple servers and geographic locations, dramatically reducing latency. By running computations closer to where data is generated, systems respond faster, ensuring insights are delivered almost instantaneously. This approach is critical for applications like fraud detection, delivery optimization, and dynamic pricing in e-commerce. Finally, real-time dashboards and business intelligence tools transform these live streams into actionable visual insights. Decision-makers can monitor trends, detect anomalies, and adjust strategies immediately without waiting for reports or manual analysis. Charts, heat maps, and interactive visualizations make complex data understandable, providing clarity and context for operational and strategic planning. Understanding how these systems work reveals the mechanics behind the digital experiences we take for granted every day. By following the journey from raw user actions to structured analytics, viewers gain a practical perspective on cloud computing, API integration, and live data visualization, showing exactly how businesses harness real-time insights to operate efficiently and stay competitive in a fast-moving digital economy.
Every interaction you make online, clicks, scrolls, page visits, and app usage, leaves a digital footprint that companies can track and analyze. Clickstream tracking captures these movements in real time, mapping how users navigate websites and mobile applications. This mapping reveals which paths lead to purchases, which features keep attention, and where users encounter friction, providing a clear picture of engagement patterns without exposing personal identities. Once these patterns are collected, behavioral segmentation models categorize users based on activity frequency, depth of engagement, and preferred interaction styles. Companies can distinguish between occasional visitors, loyal users, and power users, allowing them to tailor content, recommendations, and notifications in a way that aligns with each segment's behavior. Predictive engagement forecasting takes this a step further, using historical data to anticipate future actions. By analyzing trends over time, companies can determine which users are likely to convert, revisit, or churn, enabling timely interventions and personalized experiences. These insights feed directly into user experience optimization. Product features, interface designs, and service workflows are refined based on evidence from real interactions, making applications more intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable. Companies can test changes in real time and measure the impact immediately, creating a feedback loop that continuously improves digital experiences. Understanding behavioral analytics helps viewers see how the apps and services they use daily are shaped by patterns rather than guesswork. It reveals the practical applications of digital data, offering real, actionable knowledge about how digital data is collected, interpreted, and leveraged to improve technology, user satisfaction, and business efficiency, all in a transparent, ethical, and ultra-safe way. Every heartbeat, step, or motion captured by your wearable devices generates data that goes beyond fitness tracking. Heart rate monitors, motion sensors, sleep trackers, GPS location signals, and environmental metrics like temperature or air quality all create continuous streams of information. These signals are collected in real time, providing a rich picture of daily activity and personal patterns while remaining fully anonymized for safety and privacy. Modern smart devices pre-process much of this data locally through edge-level filtering. By analyzing raw inputs directly on the device, wearables reduce the need to send every detail to cloud servers, speeding up insights and minimizing network load. This approach ensures that only relevant, structured information is transmitted, maintaining user privacy and system efficiency. Once data reaches cloud platforms, aggregation and trend analysis turn countless individual measurements into actionable insights. Daily activity metrics transform into long-term trends that reveal patterns in movement, sleep quality, and environmental exposure. Companies and researchers can use these summaries to optimize product features, enhance wellness recommendations, and identify broader patterns without ever exposing personal identifiers. Multi-device synchronization further enhances the usefulness of this information. Smartphones, smartwatches, and other connected sensors share data seamlessly, creating a unified view of user activity across platforms. Real-time dashboards can display comprehensive insights, from daily step counts to sleep trends and environmental changes, providing an integrated perspective that supports health tracking, productivity improvements, and informed decision-making. Understanding how wearables and smart devices collect, process, and analyze biometric and sensor data helps viewers appreciate the technology behind everyday interactions. It offers practical knowledge about real-time data collection, edge computing, trend analysis, and device integration, demonstrating how digital signals become meaningful insights in a secure, ultra-safe, and fully beneficial way. Every second, devices around the world generate vast streams of data, from mobile apps to industrial sensors. Processing all of this information in centralized cloud servers can introduce delays, especially when split-second decisions are needed. Edge computing addresses this challenge by moving computation closer to the data source. By analyzing information locally on devices or nearby micro-data centers, latency is significantly reduced, enabling near-instant responses for applications like autonomous vehicles, smart factories, and live monitoring systems. Reducing latency also improves network efficiency. When raw data is processed locally, only essential insights are transmitted to central cloud systems, cutting down bandwidth usage and easing congestion on global networks. This optimization is particularly valuable for industries with high data volumes, such as video streaming, IoT networks, and real-time financial services. Many organizations adopt hybrid infrastructure models, blending edge and cloud processing. Time-sensitive operations occur at the edge, while larger-scale analytics, long-term storage, and machine learning training run in the cloud. This approach balances speed, scalability, and cost efficiency, allowing businesses to respond rapidly to local events while leveraging cloud resources for strategic analysis. Security evolves in distributed systems also. Decentralized processing limits exposure by keeping sensitive data closer to the source and reducing large-scale transfers. Companies implement encryption,
local anomaly detection, and access controls to ensure that edge devices and cloud connections remain secure. Understanding how edge computing complements cloud infrastructure helps viewers appreciate how real-time decisions are made efficiently and safely. By combining speed, bandwidth management, hybrid architectures, and enhanced security, edge computing transforms digital operations into agile, responsive, and reliable systems, all in a fully ultra-safe, high-value framework for modern business and everyday applications.
Every interaction, sensor reading, or transaction generates raw data, but it is through artificial intelligence and machine learning that this information becomes actionable insight. The first step is data preparation and feature engineering, where raw inputs are cleaned, structured, and transformed into meaningful variables. This process ensures that patterns can be identified reliably, whether it's user behavior on an app, sensor readings from IoT devices, or financial transactions in real time. Once data is structured, supervised and unsupervised learning methods are applied. Supervised learning uses labeled datasets to predict outcomes like purchase likelihood or churn risk, while unsupervised learning identifies hidden patterns, such as customer segments or emerging trends, without pre-assigned categories. These approaches allow businesses to make accurate forecasts, optimize operations, and deliver personalized experiences. Predictive models are not static. Model validation, testing, and continuous optimization refine the system over time. Feedback loops compare predictions to actual outcomes, adjusting algorithms to improve accuracy and reliability. This iterative process ensures that AI models remain relevant in fast-changing environments, from real-time analytics in retail to adaptive risk management in finance. Explainable AI and algorithmic transparency are critical components of modern machine learning. Decision-makers, regulators, and users need to understand how predictions are generated to ensure trust, compliance, and accountability. Visualization tools, feature importance metrics, and interpretable model outputs make it possible to verify decisions without exposing sensitive data. Understanding how AI and machine learning transform raw data into predictive models provides practical knowledge about the mechanisms behind everyday technologies. From cleaning and structuring data to generating accurate forecasts and ensuring transparency, viewers gain insight into how intelligent systems operate safely and efficiently, delivering tangible benefits for business operations, user experience, and strategic decision-making, all in a fully ultra-safe, informative, and high-value framework.
Every time you browse a website, open an app, or watch a video online, data signals are generated that help power the digital advertising ecosystem. Programmatic advertising platforms use real-time bidding systems to match advertisers with audiences instantly. When an ad space becomes available, automated auctions determine which advertisement is most relevant, ensuring that campaigns reach users efficiently while maximizing revenue for publishers. Behind these auctions, audience targeting relies on aggregated and anonymized data signals. Browsing patterns, engagement metrics, and app usage trends provide insights into interests and behaviors without revealing personal identities.
This allows advertisers to deliver relevant messages to the right audience, improving campaign effectiveness while respecting privacy standards. Consent frameworks and data sharing agreements form the legal backbone of this system. Regulations like CCPA and GDPR require companies to obtain user permissions, disclose data usage practices, and provide options to control personal information. These frameworks ensure that information exchange between platforms, advertisers, and data brokers operates transparently and ethically, building trust while maintaining compliance. Revenue distribution in the digital advertising supply chain involves multiple participants. Publishers earn from the placement of ads on their platforms. Ad exchanges facilitate auctions, and advertisers pay for visibility to targeted audiences. Understanding how this flow of funds works provides insight into why certain ads appear in specific contexts and how digital marketing strategies are designed for efficiency. By examining programmatic advertising, audience targeting, legal frameworks, and monetization models, viewers gain practical knowledge of the systems shaping the online content economy. This understanding highlights how data is used responsibly, how real-time insights optimize advertising, and how the digital marketplace functions efficiently, delivering actionable, ultra-safe insights into a complex yet essential part of today's digital world.
Data privacy has become a central focus in today's digital economy, shaping how companies collect, store, and use personal information. The California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, is a landmark state-level regulation that gives residents significant control over their data. Companies operating in the U.S. must comply with rules on data access, disclosure, and deletion, ensuring that consumers understand what information is collected and how it is used. Consumers now have clear rights to access their data, request deletion, and opt out of certain data sharing activities. These measures allow individuals to make informed decisions about their digital footprint and maintain greater control over personal information. By exercising these rights, users can manage privacy preferences across websites, apps, and connected services, creating a more transparent interaction with technology. To meet these requirements, businesses implement comprehensive compliance systems and governance structures. Internal audits, data mapping, access controls, and staff training ensure that personal data is handled responsibly. Organizations also develop privacy policies and protocols that align with state and federal regulations, balancing operational efficiency with legal obligations and ethical responsibilities. Looking ahead, federal privacy legislation is emerging as a potential standard across the United States. Trends indicate a move toward uniform rules that may complement or expand on state laws like the CCPA. Companies preparing for these changes can implement scalable privacy frameworks, adopt stronger security measures, and maintain transparency in data processing practices. Understanding data privacy, consumer rights, corporate compliance, and evolving legislation equips viewers with practical knowledge to navigate the modern digital landscape, all presented in a fully ultra-safe, informative, and actionable way for American audiences. Navigating the digital world effectively requires practical strategies that help users maintain control over their personal data while benefiting from connected services.
Evaluating privacy policies and data disclosures is the first step. By reading and interpreting how apps, websites, and platforms collect, store, and share information, users can make informed decisions about which services to trust and how their data is used. Understanding terms, opting into or out of data sharing programs, and recognizing key indicators of privacy practices empowers users to engage safely. Managing app permissions and device-level controls provides a direct way to protect personal information. Smartphones, tablets, and smart devices allow users to control access to location, camera, microphone, and other sensitive features. Adjusting these settings ensures that applications only receive the data necessary for their functions, reducing exposure while maintaining usability. Privacy-oriented browsing tools and security features add another layer of protection. Browser extensions, ad blockers, VPNs, and secure search engines help minimize tracking, prevent unwanted data collection, and create safer online interactions. These tools allow users to explore websites and apps with confidence, knowing their digital footprint is managed proactively. Building long-term digital literacy completes the approach to real-time data awareness. Understanding how data flows, how algorithms interpret behavior, and how companies utilize information equips users with the knowledge to participate responsibly in the digital economy. Over time, this literacy helps individuals recognize patterns, anticipate privacy risks, and make informed decisions about services and platforms. By combining careful evaluation of policies, strategic permission management, protective browsing tools, and ongoing digital education, viewers gain actionable insights. These strategies provide a practical framework for maintaining privacy, enhancing security, and navigating the real-time data environment safely and effectively, all in a fully ultra-safe, informative, and high-value way tailored for the American digital landscape.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the real-time data world. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to stay connected with Relaxing Facts Studio and never miss a journey into the fascinating systems shaping our digital lives. If you found this episode insightful, please give it a like. It helps the video reach more curious minds. Share it on your social media to spark conversations with friends. And leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, insights, or questions from today's video. Your support keeps the channel growing, inspiring us to continue creating informative, ultra-safe, and high-value content.